Today we'll be learning about the concept of time, specifically using measurements. So first, what is time? Time tells us when something happens and how long they take. For example, a lesson can last 1 hour. A great conversion for this is to know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute and 60 minutes in 1 hour. You can see with this clock here as our visual, we have the long hand is representing the minutes, the short hand is representing the hours, and the shorter and slightly thinner hand represents the seconds. So, how many minutes are in 1 hour? That's right, there's going to be 60 minutes in 1 hour. How many seconds are in 1 minute? That's right, 60 seconds in 1 minute. Now, let's double check our understanding. First example, if there's 30 minutes, that's going to equal half of an hour. So, how many minutes are in 2 hours? So to solve this, we find out from our memory how many minutes are going to be in 1 hour. So we can recall that there was 60 minutes equals 1 hour. So we know if we wanted to find 2 hours, we would just have to multiply the 60 minutes by 2. So we would have 60 minutes multiplied by 2 hours equals 120 minutes. So that'll be our answer. Third example, which is longer, 90 minutes or 1 hour? So depending on how you want to do this, we need to convert both of these to be the same unit. So we either need to turn both into minutes or both into hours. So if we convert it both into hours, 90 minutes, using our understanding, 30 minutes is equal to half an hour. 90 minutes can be broken down into 60 minutes plus 30 minutes. So this is going to be 1 hour plus half of an hour, which is going to be 1.5 hours. So now that they're in the same units, we can compare 1.5 hours or 1 hour. And we know that 1.5 hours is definitely going to be longer. So therefore, 90 minutes is going to be our longer time. Now, for our last two examples, let's convert 3 hours into minutes and 6 hours into minutes. So, using the fact that there are 60 minutes in an hour, if we have 3 hours, that means we need to do 3 multiplied by 60, which is going to be 180 minutes. Similarly, for 6 hours, we know that we're going to have to do 6 multiplied by 60. That's going to be 360 minutes. These topics are taken from my worksheet. You can find the link in the description.